I started my career at Schlumberger, where I was actually tasked with modeling or trying to design plastic parts that went in oil exploration, plastic and rubber parts. And in trying to predict how they would behave, I knew of solutions available to be able to do that, but they weren't available for industry. People don't have a good way of doing computer simulations of products that have plastics. And by plastics, I mean composite materials, adhesives, rubber materials. They're very difficult to simulate. And why is simulation important? It's the core of the product development process in any company making any physical product. Anything from an artificial heart valve to a water bottle that you're trying to shave off the amount of plastic that you use for it. It's an incredibly important thing, and we have no good solution for modeling these plastics. So what we do with Silotech is we produce the data with proprietary instruments, and then we provide people with the software modules they need to add on to the software they're already using and be able to actually do simulations with plastics and rubbers and composites and adhesives. There's very few people on the planet who have the combination of an understanding of the material science and understanding of the sophisticated analog electronics that we use to be able to produce the data.